Heart problem often happen due to high cholesterol. Do you know one kitchen ingredient can naturally protect your heart? Watch carefully. This simple method may change everything and blocked arteries. This lead to fatigue, chest comfort and poor blood flow. But the good news, garlic can support your heart health naturally. Take one or two raw garlic cloves and 1 tablespoon of honey. Crush the garlic, mix it with honey, and let it sit for 5 minutes. Consume it every morning on an empty stomach. It helps lower bad cholesterol, improve blood flow, and strengthens your heart. Always start with half a clove. If you have acidity, if you are on blood thinner, consult a doctor first. For more herbal remedies and natural healing, subscribe me